Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you will be happy and enjoying a healthy life. Viewers, right now we are in that month of the year which is considered as the transition period between winter and spring. If in particular I will talk about our area, here the temperature is increasing gradually and it is very much suitable for plants growth. So this month, February, is the best time to boost your plant's growth because the temperature is suitable, and this can be done in different ways, such as pruning and by fertilizing. Now let's talk about both of them in detail. First comes pruning. There are different types of pruning for different plants. No matter what type you use, it always encourages the healthy growth of the plants, because by pruning we give a message to the plant that it has to sprout new branches again. For now, we will categorize pruning into three different types, and I will show it to you with few examples. Number one is deadheading. Let's say that it is a general rule of thumb for all flowering plants that we have to remove the dead flowers, or you can say spent flowers. But not only removing the flowers is enough. In fact, we need to remove some part of the stem on which the flower grows. You can say this is flower stalk, which we have to remove from the base. Deadheading not only helps us to clean the plant, but it also encourages our plants to grow thicker, bushier, and produce more flowers. If we will leave it like this, without removing the old or spent flowers, the plant feels like I have produced enough flowers and now my work is done. So it starts investing its energy in producing the seeds. And after that, it completes its cycle and dies off. So by deadheading, actually plant gets a message that it's not done yet. So it starts producing new branches and more flowers. Second type of pruning is for all perennial plants, actually, which were in dormant or sleep mode in winters and now they need to be trimmed off. Especially all the old woody branches of your plants should be removed. You can take off at least 1/3 of your plant. But if you are confident and experienced enough, then you can prune even 50% of your plant also. This is called hard pruning. As an example, here I have removed almost 3/4 of my lemon and mango trees, because now I want new branches. As always, new branches will produce more fruit and flowers. Old ones will only consume the energy of the plant. I am also doing the hard pruning of this young avocado plant to get it to encourage it to produce more and healthy branches. Even I will remove all the old leaves so that plant will only invest its energy in producing new branches. I am only leaving 3 leaves here, which will help to produce food for the plant. Third type of pruning is called pinching. This is soft pruning basically. This can be done for soft stemmed plants or vines or ornamental plants like coleus, Singapore daisy, even for mint. For this, we just have to pinch off top 2 pairs of leaves, or you can say 3 to 4 leaves from the plants, and that's all. This will encourage new and more branches. Here you can see I have pinched it last time from this point, and now 3 more branches are growing from the same point from where I have pinched it last time. That's why it is so bushy. And soft pruning is not only recommended for February, it can be done throughout the year for soft stemmed plants to encourage new growth. Now, once we have pruned and trimmed off our plants, we should fertilize them also. This is the best season of the year to fertilize your plants, especially those which require fertilizer only once a year. So this is the best time to feed them nicely so that they can do their best during spring season. Here I am using fish waste to fertilize my 1 year old guava tree. Now you can use fertilizer of your own choice, but I feel that organic is better, especially for fruiting plants. And for that, we have options such as properly decomposed animal manure. Here I'm using cow dung compost, or any type of kitchen waste, just like eggshells or banana peels. You can use them in powder form also, or even kitchen waste compost. Actually, in this part of the world, it is very difficult or sometimes really expensive to get neem cake, mustard cake, or other options of organic fertilizers such as vermicompost, trichoderma. So that's the reason that I don't use these products and always try to suggest you the alternatives which are easily available. Now, for those friends who don't have space to make their own compost, or they don't want to take this hassle, or they don't have time to do so, to find animal manure or all, or animal manure is not easily available to them. So for them, I would recommend NPK 2020. It's easily available at nurseries at affordable prices, and it's a balanced and very light chemical which meets all the basic requirements of your plant. But I would suggest you to do some research and educate yourself about your plant's requirements, then choose any particular fertilizer. In fact, I don't use very much specific, or you can say strong chemical fertilizers. If I have to, then I will go for NPK 2020. It is safe to use. At the end of this video, I would like to share the result of pruning and fertilizing which I have done with these plants. I think a week ago, or you can say 10 days ago. You can see now how healthy and bushy they look. These petunia bunches are the result of pruning and fertilizing, which I am doing almost after every 15 days, and mashallah, you can see the result. Even this rose plant was pruned almost 2 weeks ago, and you can see the growth now. Now look at this rose, mashallah, it is so big and beautiful with nice fragrance. This is the result of pruning which I have done before the winter season, and I have fertilized this plant at the same time. And this is my firebush plant which I have pruned and shared the video with you, I think before start of winters, and now you can see its growth, and it's blooming nicely. So that's all. This is the result of pruning. I hope that video would be helpful for you also. See you next time with another topic, with another video. Till then, stay blessed, take care, and Allah Hafiz.